Bonsai means pot. That's what it is. The pot is a home for the tree. It's what grows to become that pot. I went to a town that really wasn't that far away from my house. I won't tell you where I went or what I did while I was in my van. Sometimes I just have to do that. Sometimes I just have to get out, go somewhere, clear my mind. And that's what skips me by. Everybody's got their ways. Everybody's got their ways to live their life. And who am I to judge? Lest I be judged myself. That's the way I see it. I want to thank you for being here at Yamato-e. I want to show you about the plants that I got for this season. Now, when I started to do all of this for you, I was merely fulfilling an urge to teach you, to influence you in not the only way, not even the correct way, but this is my way. It's almost like something I want to keep to myself. The reason why that is. So I just might do that. That's my own story. Today we're going to create a whole nother story. We're going to create a community. A community called Yamato-e. And let me tell you what Yamato-me is all about. After the warring period of Japan became a whole new era of enlightenment. And a lot of good things were being done. The art of bonsai became a thing. And this is in the way back when time. But anyways, I'm at a good point in my life. I haven't been there in quite a while, and that's over with. I don't know how it happened, but it did, and I feel good today, and I'm going to hold on to that. I hope you feel good too. I hope that as we sit here and just chat, not do a whole lot except flowers, and flowers is the name of this game.